In the next video, I'll be doing some soldering involving 3/4 inch pipe. Here, I'm showing basically the preparation. So this is a auto 2-cutter for 1/2 inch pipe. It slips right in. Rotate it. And this works pretty nice, especially if you're doing it in close quarters. Don't have much room. Then the next one is a again auto 2-cutter for 3/4 inch pipe, which is what I'll use in my soldering video next time. This one again just snaps in. And this one can only be used on 3/4 pipe, and the first one can only be used on 1 inch pipe, or 1/2 inch pipe, I should say. And that's all we have at our house. It's either 1/2 inch. Most of our piping is 1/2 inch. The only 3/4 inch pipe we have is coming in from the main shut-off valve and the water heater. Now the next tubing cutter that I have there, that one's adjustable. It goes from like 1/8 of an inch or so to up to 1 1/4 or something like that. And that one you have to kind of set the tension on it and then rotate it a few times and then again snug it in. Now you don't want to overdo it because you can take it out of round and then you won't be able to use it for any fittings. I've done that in the past when I was practicing some of this stuff. Finally, and this is a deburring tool that I have here. Take out some of the shavings inside the copper pipe, and here I'm working with the 3/4 inch because that's the one I'm going to use in the soldering video. So this one works pretty good here. And this can cause issues if you leave the shavings in there. It could affect the joint. And then there's the 4-in-1 and one for the 3/4 pipe and the 1/2 inch pipe hole to clean the outside, and then the brushes you can clean the inside of it. Works pretty nice, but you can use regular sandpaper or abrasive mesh. You can see this tool cleans the outside pipe pretty good, and that's the way you want it. You want it to be shiny. And then, of course, clean the inside of the fitting. I'm using the 3/4 brush on this one. 3/4 inch, I should say. The fitting coupling that will connect the two pieces when I actually solder it. And this is just a little bit extra. It helps, again, clean the inside pipe here. Again, take some more of those shavings out if it has any. And this is also a deburring tool. You can use it for copper and PVC pipes. And I've already cleaned it really. I don't really need to do this, so I just want to show this particular tool because you can also use this one. And this is just abrasive mesh. Again, I'm just overdoing it here. Just to give you some other options, you can actually use sandpaper. So you only need the 4-in-1 tool. In fact, I think you can go ahead and remove the burrs on the inside just with sandpaper. This abrasive mesh would take do the job also. So you don't have to go through all of this. I'm just doing it just to show you the tools that you can use. And then of course it's going to go like that, but when I solder it, I have to put the flux on it, so that's what I'm going to do in the next video. But anyway, it's ready to go. Continue practicing for my next projects, which will involve some soldering. I've done a lot of plumbing, but I haven't really done an actual soldering in an actual job. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.